Build a world with aluminium. Connect it with Lokring. The use of aluminium tube for the installation of air conditioning systems offers lots of advantages. Aluminium tube is 4 times less expensive than copper and 3 times lighter. Aluminium meets the technical requirements equally as well as copper. For these reasons, the automotive industry has been using aluminium tube in vehicle air conditioning systems for decades. Until now, aluminium tube has rarely been used in the air conditioning installation field, mainly because it's very challenging to solder on-site. Thanks to the new aluminium Lokring connection, from now on, you can benefit not only from the advantages of the light metal aluminium, but also from the advantages our Lokring tube connection offers compared to soldered connections. Completely without heat or flame, all of the necessary safety precautions for soldering are avoided. The fire regulations and soldering permits cease to apply. So there's no additional bureaucracy and time-consuming waiting. On construction sites, elaborate safety gear and heavy soldering equipment are no longer needed. Even in busy offices, you can carry out installations without interrupting operations, thus saving customers expensive business closures or on social hours work time. However, we don't just make the installation easier, but quicker too. Each Lokring connection is 40% faster compared to a soldered joint. Our ingenious principle also provides for better quality, because when soldering, even experienced professionals can't always avoid damaging the air conditioning system with heat or solder residue. Handling Lokring, on the other hand, is easy to learn and uncomplicated. So after only a short time, you're able to apply the Lokring system quickly and reliably. It's this simple. First, deburr the tube and thoroughly clean the tube ends. Use the stabilization insert to give the connection more stability. Mark the insertion depth of the tube. Then apply lock prep evenly to the entire tube circumference. Lock prep penetrates even the finest cavities, fills them completely, and thus makes the connection 100% airtight. Now, push the tube end all the way into the connector and press the lock ring onto the connector using the hand assembly tool. Finished! No matter what connection you're creating, Lokring offers the best solution for every installation situation, even for flammable or high-pressure refrigerants, such as R32 and R410A. For over 30 years, Lokring tube connections have successfully been applied in the refrigeration and air conditioning industry. More than 1 billion Lokrings have been fitted. That makes VULKAN Lokring the world market leader in solder-free tube connections for refrigeration and air conditioning technology. 5 production sites and more than 30 subsidiary companies and sales representatives ensure intelligent solutions, top quality, and optimum service. Thousands of installers of air conditioning systems already put their trust in the reliable Lokring technology. Now Lokring also enables you to take maximum advantage of the cost saving of using aluminium tubes. Make your installation easier, faster, and more cost-effective with Lokring, the best connection.